Hello everyone, welcome to Almighty Tricks. Today we will be understanding D in solid. So D stands for Dependency Inversion Principle, or in short we can say DIP. So let's understand the definition first. So the definition is saying two non-abstract classes should not depend on each other, but they should connected via abstraction. Okay. So the abstraction should not depend on details. Instead, the details depends on the abstraction. Okay, so let's understand the definition with an example. Say I have A class and I have B class. Okay, and B is extending A class. Okay, now if we change something in A class, then it might possible that we can get error in B, right? So, so basically, this both A and B are tightly coupled. So if we change, let's say in A class, then we might get some error in B class because some changes might not be present in the B. Okay, as it is extending A class. Okay. So in this case, the code will have tightly coupled, and changing one class can break another, which is problematic, right? So always try to make class as loose connected as possible, which can be done through abstraction. Okay. So to solve this issue, we can have an interface or an abstract class between A and B. Let's see that one. So I have A and B class, and I have created one C, which is an interface. What I'll do, I'll implement B. I'll implement C class from B. I'll implement C class from A. Okay. So let's say I am changing something in A class. Okay. Then we no need to worry about V, right? Because it is not directly depends on the B. Okay. So it is B will independently work. A also it will independently work. So in between A and B we have interface C. So these classes are loosely connected. So there is no dependency. So let's understand it with better example. So I have one package called DIP package inside the solid com.solid package. So I have created three classes. One is the email service and SMS service and main message. So the motive is like we need to send some messages via email or SMS. So I have created email service and SMS service. Okay, so in email service we have one send email method where we can write a logic for sending email via email, and we have SMS service class. We have one send SMS method inside this SMS service class, and here we can write the logic for sending SMS via SMS. Okay, we have one main message class, and in main message class we have send message method, and we have instantiated email service and SMS service, and based on those instance we are calling send email and send SMS. Okay, so basically this will work perfectly fine, but let's say in future we need to add some more message services like WhatsApp or Facebook Messenger. So in that case, we need to change the code in the main message class, right? So basically we need to instantiate WhatsApp service class or Facebook messaging service class, and we need to call those methods from this send messaging method. Okay, so basically it will violate OCP principle. Also, this class is a high level module, so it depends on email service and SMS service, right? So it is violating DIP because DIP is saying it should not directly connect it with the concrete classes, so it should connect it via abstraction. So if you see here, we have instantiated two classes and we are calling directly. So this is violating DIP. So to how to fix this one? So to uh, to fix this one, we need to write some code. Let me write those code, then I'll explain. So what I did, I have created this interface iMessaging service, which is the send method, and this interface I have implemented from this email service, and I need to override this send method where I can write the logic for the email sent via email. And similarly for SMS service also I have implemented this iMessage service from SMS service and also override this send method. And here I need to write the logic for sending messages via SMS. And I have also supporting this WhatsApp services. So also here also I have implemented iMessage service, and here also I need to override this send method. Okay, so now check the main message class. In main message class I have declared list of iMessage services, and I have one parameterized constructor, and I have send message method. So from this send message method, I am calling this send method of iMessage service type. Okay, so what I mean, it will call each and every method from email service, SMS service, WhatsApp services. So basically we no need to create any object for these individual services. We just need to call as these email service, SMS service, WhatsApp services are type of iMessage service interface. So we no need to create any object. So basically now this main service now this main message class um, doesn't depends on the email, SMS and WhatsApp services, but return abstraction. Okay, so so basically low level modules and their details depends on the abstraction now. So this is how we can solve the DIP issue. Let me generate a diagram. If you see the diagram, so basically this iMessage interface implemented by email service, WhatsApp service and SMS service. So if we are changing something in email service or in SMS service, we no need to worry about iMessage or any other classes, because these are loosely coupled. And if we are changing something here, we no need to change in other classes. So this is it about DIP. Okay, so with this, we are completing the playlist for the solid design principle. We came to know about SRP, OCP, LSP, ISP, and DIP. So, hope you understood all these concepts from the solid design principle. Thank you for watching this video.